Empowerment supports are given to followers in order to boost their economy in democratic era. The provision of 360 motorcycles to APC loyalists from Jigawa Senatorial District by Senator Sabo Muhammad Nokudu is coming at a time when the federal government determined to move people out of poverty and hunger in order to achieve sustainable development. Speaking during the distribution exercise which took place at Majestic Head Office in Dutse, Senator Sabo Muhammad Nokudu, represented by his political associate Alhaji Garba Ilyas Yelwandamai, said the gesture is aimed at empowering the party members to become self-reliant and more vibrant.
This kind of items is given to each and everybody within his constituency. The purpose of this is to empower people to stand on their own, to stand on their feet, and to find what they will do in order to sustain their own living.
He charged the beneficiaries who were drawn from the 7 local government areas of Borno Kudu, Buji, Gwaram Dutse, Kiawa, Miga and Jahun under the senatorial district to make judicious use of the donated motorcycles. While pledging to give more support to the people in the area, the senator charged party members to remain supportive and prayerful to his political activities. Some of the beneficiaries thanked the senator for his concern always shown to the people and promised to remain supportive.
Kyauta da taimako mahalli ne na sanata, halinsa ne abin da ya saba kenan.
Sanata muna godiya. Allah ya saka da alkhairi. Mai girma sanata kamar inda masu fada suke fada ko muke fada mun san cewa sanata wannan abu ba farau bane ko ba karau bane.
Wanda mai girma sanata ya muna Allah ya saka masa da alkhairi.
The historic distribution exercise was blessed to have in attendance various personalities from different walks of lives. It could be recalled that a large number of people have benefited from numerous empowerment supports courtesy of the distinguished Senator Sabo Muhammad Nokudu. Ibrahim Isiaku, JTV News.